In progress.
Hi guys, so today, sagutan natin yung trees. So let A daw be non-empty and bounded above, and let C be an element of reals, define the set CA and C plus A by. So, ito muna ipaprove natin, C plus A. So, yung B, 3B, that one. So, prove natin yan. So, show, yung soup daw ng C plus A is just C plus soup A. So, anong gagawin natin dyan? Okay, so the first thing that we can do is that, uh, mag-let ka muna ng Siyempre, sabi mo, let A be bounded above. So, since A is bounded above, since A, since A is bounded above by the supremum property, nasa slides yun. Nasa chapter 1.23 slides. Kasi nasa slides to Tinatamad lang akong kunin, pero nasa slides to. Since A is bounded above by the supremum property, yung supremum property nasa slides. Since A is bounded above by the supremum property, it exists. So, sabihin natin ang supremum is S. Sabihin natin S. So sure ka kasi pag bounded above yung set, sure ka na nag-exist yung supremum. That's the property. So by the supremum property S is equal to sup A. Then, so it follows, then A is less than or equal to S for all A in A. Ano ibig sabihin niya? Since dahil yung supremum ni A ay S, ibig sabihin si S mas malaki siya sa lahat ng elements ni A. Ayan. A is less than or equal to S for all A in A. So si S yung mas malaki sa lahat ng elements A ni set A. Okay. So by ano to? So nasa slides din ko. Basta by the theorem, pwede ako mag-add. So ano mangyayari guys? So mag-add ako ng C plus S. So wala nagbago guys. So nasa theorem to, I think chapter 1 point, basta yung inequalities, so madami. Yung 7 ata yun. Ito, by the theorem, C plus A is less than C plus S. So nag-add lang ako. Nag-add lang ako ng C plus A plus C plus S. Now, etong C plus A, elements to ng C plus set A. Kasi ayan, ito yung form. Yung C plus set A daw, yan daw yung mga set containing C plus A. C plus A of the form, ito. So, ibig sabihin, ito, element siya nito. But this is arbitrary. Arbitrary to kasi arbitrary si A, plus arbitrary si C. So, ibig sabihin, si C plus S, upper bound siya ni C plus A. So, this is an upper bound of C plus A. Then, C plus S is an upper bound of C plus A, set A. So, then, C plus S with an upper bound of C plus A. And actually, tapos na yung kalahati ng proof. Kasi sa C plus S, take note yung S is sub A. So ito yun, no? C plus sub A. So ito lang yun. C plus S is C plus A. So tapos na yung kalahati kasi napakita mo na upper bound siya. Upper bound siya nito. Pero hindi pa tayo tapos kasi we need to show na yan yung supremum. So kasi upper bound pa lang yung na-establish. So hindi pa siya yung least. So what we're gonna do is that, sige, spacing tayo para may distinction yung steps. So let D be an arbitrary upper bound. For our goal, upper bound of C plus A. So ang goal natin is mapakita, our goal is to show C plus S is less than or equal to D. So ito yung goal natin. This is our goal ha. So let D be an arbitrary upper bound of C plus S. So our goal is to show C plus S is less than or equal to D. Bakit? Kasi C plus S upper bound, plus si D arbitrary upper bound. Kung gusto mo mapakita na si C plus S ay yung D's, so kailangan mo establish to. Dapat mas maliit si C plus S sa kahit anong upper bound ni D. Okay, okay. So that's our goal. Yes, so that is our goal. Now, gamitin natin ito assumption. Let D be an arbitrary upper bound of C plus A. So then, C plus A is less than or equal to D. And this is for all C plus A. So arbitrary yung C plus A dyan. Asa na yun? It's loading guys. Ayan. So C plus A is less than or equal to D. So ngayon, ang gagawin ko, so mag-i-imply lang ako ano to, mga additional property, additional property of inequality. So I can do this. D minus. So gets ba? I think gets naman paano napunta yan. So nag-ano lang ako, quote-unquote, transpose. Pero syempre yung proper term doon is properties of inequality. Addition, property of inequality, ganyan. So nag-add lang ako both sides ng negative C. So eto, from this inequality, nag-add ako ng both sides ng negative C to obtain this. So ngayon, anong mangyayari is that si A arbitrary, si A laman ni set A. Ayan. Si D minus C, mas malaki kay set A. So, D minus C is an upper bound of A. Okay, so si D minus C, upper bound siya ni A. Pero, na-establish natin si S yung supremum ni A. Again, si D minus C, upper bound lang siya ni A. Pero si S, yan yung supremum ni A. So by definition of supremum, S is less than D minus C. Okay? S is less than D minus. But of course, by, ano gagawin ko dito? Pwede natin siya i-manipulate as na, manipulate? Wait. Okay. So ito. So paano nangyari ito? Kasi si S, yung least upper bound, yung supremum ni A. Si D minus C, arbitrary upper bound lang siya ni set A from here. So, syempre by definition, supremum totoo to. Ngayon, gagawin ko, mag-add ako both sides ng C. Positive C. Mag-add ako both sides. So, mangyayari is C plus S is less than or equal to D. Pero, ano ba si C plus S? C plus S is just the C plus supremum of A less than or equal to D. Okay, it's still loading. Ayan. So, si D arbitrary upper bound ng C plus A. Tapos, napakita mo na si C plus sub A, ito yon C plus S, upper bound siya ng C plus A. Pero, mas maliit din siya sa arbitrary upper bound si D. Therefore, sige, sulat natin na maayos. Since C plus sub A is an upper bound of C plus A, and C plus sub A is less than or equal to D for any upper bound D, any upper bound D of for any upper bound D of C plus A, then C plus sub A is the supermoon of C plus A. So sige, summarize natin. Baka kasi medyo, ano siya, what do you call this, overwhelming. So yeah, okay. Okay, cute. Now, okay, so sige, ulit. So let A be a subset of reals where A is bounded above and C is an element of real numbers. So define the set C plus A is equal to C plus, again, yung A dyan set. So C plus A is where small a is an element of set A. So show C plus A is equal to C plus sub A. At pala, iniba ko yung notation. Parang hindi ko A ng A kasi baka nagugulang ka. Ano yung A yung tinutukoy ko? Pero, yeah, sige, kaya may red laser tayo para sure. Okay. So since set A is bounded above by the supremum property, sure ka na mag-e-exist yung supremum ng set. So that is by the supremum. Then, so definition of supremum, ito lang siya. A is less or equal to S for all A in set A. Ngayon, by the theorem, pag nag-add ako ng both sides dito sa inequality ng C, the inequality will remain. So okay lang yan. C plus A is less than C plus S. Si C plus A, arbitrary element ng set na to, C plus set A, so, tapos C plus S, mas malaki siya sa arbitrary element nito. So, ibig sabihin niya, si C plus S ay upper bound nito. So, C plus S is an upper bound of C plus set. So, then, C plus S is an upper bound of C plus A. And then, so, nakalahati of our proof is done. So, our next is to show na siya yung pinakamaliit na upper bound. So, ang gagawin mo is kukuha ka ng arbitrary upper bound ni C plus A. Kasi kung meron siyang isang upper bound, again, tandaan nyo to, yung isang set, kung meron siyang isang upper bound, it follows, meron siyang infinitely many upper bounds. It follows na yun. So, ang gagawin mo, since may upper bound siya, which is C plus S, to sure ka na meron pa siyang ibang upper bound, which is D. So, si D, arbitrary yan. Again, arbitrary. So, hindi siya specific na upper bound. So, let D be an arbitrary upper bound. So, ang goal mo is to show na yung C plus S is less than or equal to D. Bakit yun yung goal? Kasi ang goal mo is to show C plus S, yun yung supremum ng C plus A. Yung C plus S, ano lang yan, yan yung C plus sub A. So, denote ko lang yan para mas madaling isulat or i-type. So, okay, asa na yan? Let D be an arbitrary upper bound of C plus A, then C plus A is less than or equal to D. So, definition na to na pagiging upper bound. Tapos, mag-add ako both sides ng negative C sa inequality, maging ganito. Tapos, si A ay element ni set A. Small a is an element of set A. So, si D minus C ay upper bound ni A. Upper bound siya ni A. Ayun, si D minus C ay upper bound siya ni set A kasi mas malaki si D minus C sa arbitrary A ni set A. So, D minus C is an upper bound of set A. Okay, so si D minus C ay arbitrary upper bound. So, upper bound lang siya ni A. Di pala siya arbitrary. So, ay, joke. Yeah, arbitrary to. Arbitrary. Arbitrary, si D minus C, arbitrary upper bound ni A, ni set A. Pero si S yung supremum ni A. So, by definition of supremum, of course, syempre, si supremum, mas maliit siya sa arbitrary upper bounds. Kaya meron ka, S is less than D minus C. Mag-add ako both sides ng positive C. Pag nag-add ako, magiging ganyan. Si C plus S, smaller than D. Pero si C plus S is just C plus sub A. C plus sub A is less than D. So, since C plus sub A is an upper bound, so na-establish mo dito yon dito. C plus S is an upper bound of C plus A, plus si C plus sub A is less or equal to D for any upper bound D of C plus A. Therefore, C plus sub A, siya na yung supremum. Kasi upper bound siya, tapos at the same time, siya yung pinakamaliit sa lahat na upper bounds ni C plus A. So, siya na yung supremum. Yes.